Hey, third grade. So this week's vocabulary words are area, perimeter, polygon, composite figure, and decomposed figures. We're going to begin with area, which is a word that we already know, and perimeter. So first of all, area. If we have a figure, we are measuring the inside of the figure by square units. Those units can be inches, feet, miles. It just depends whatever unit we're using. So if, for example, if the width of this figure is 2 units and the length is 5 units, we can divide the figure and we can see how many square units are inside this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This figure is 10 square units. We also know that because the formula for area is length times width. Now for perimeter, perimeter is the distance around the figure or shape. If our figure is 2 units by 5 units, then we know that this side is also 2 units and this side is 5 units. We can add them all up. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 5 is 14. We also know this because the formula for perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width. These are two that we should remember already. Another one that we should already remember and that we are familiar with is polygon. What is polygon? I hope you guys remember. A polygon is a closed figure or shape made of straight line segments. This means it can be an irregular shape. For example, this figure here has 4 sides, which makes it a quadrilateral, but it's also an irregular shape. But it is still a polygon because it is made up of straight lines. This could be and is a polygon. Okay, composite figures and decomposed figures kind of go together. So a composite figure, which may look something like this, is a figure or shape that can be divided into more than one basic shape. We may need to cut this up. For example, if we are finding the area of the composite figure, we may need to make it into 2 separate quadrilaterals, and that would make it easier to find the area. Now, a decomposed figure. A decomposed figure means that you can break the shape or figure apart and it sometimes makes different shapes. For example, if it looks something like this, then we can break apart this figure and create 2 different shapes. This is an example of decomposed figure. Composite figure and decomposed figures kind of go hand in hand, and we're going to talk about them more during the unit. I just want to remind you that some of these words can be found in the glossary at the back of your book, and some you may need to Google. The foldable is something that we've done before. Please make sure that you take a photo, copy paste it to a Google Doc and submit, or you can email it at lopezsbisd@gmail.com. Thank you.